Hello everyone, so we are back with Leetcode daily challenge. In today's problem we need to find the largest odd number in a string. So in the question given below we are given with a number in the form of a string, and we need to find the substring of that string which is the largest odd valued integer, right? So like for example in the question given below 52 is there, so the largest odd number integer will be 5 from here. If a number is given 1 2 3 4 5 6, then the largest odd valued number will be from 1 2 3 4 5, right? So this is the question. So talking about the approach, like if we try to think with the brute force approach, what we will be trying to do, we will be iterating over, like we will take two loops and we will check the largest odd number which can be possible if we start from that integer, right? So this is very much brute force approach, but let us try to think about like how can we optimize this solution. So first of all the question asks about two things. First thing is that it should be odd number, it should be odd number, it is the must criteria. Second thing is it should be the largest, right? So for any given number, like any given number, it should be odd. The part of the substring always end with odd number, right? So for example in the question given below 4 2 5 6 7 8 7 6 8, so this is a string for example. So for the like if we take a substring which should be odd, uh, the last digit, like the last digit of the number should be odd, right? Either it can be 7 or it can be this 7 or either this 5, right? So these are the three possibilities of ending our substring, right? So this condition is met. So to keep to make the string odd, it should end with odd number or odd character, right? Odd number. This is clear. The second thing the question demands is that like the string substring should be largest. So let us try to think from this example only. How can we make the string largest? So we know our ending position, like our ending position should be as right as possible. To make the substring largest, our ending position of the substring, the number we are going to take from this string, should be as right as possible, like the end. And the starting position, like the starting position should be as left as possible, right? So this is the starting position. So to make the string largest, what we need to do, we need to keep our end position as right as possible, and we need to keep our left position, like the starting position, as left as possible. So keeping these two points in mind, the number should end with odd number and the starting and ending position should be as far as possible, right? So what we can do, we can end our right position, like we can end our substring in the first occurrence of an odd number, right? So when we end our substring in the first occurrence of an odd number and we take the leftmost, like complete left part, then we will get the highest, like largest in integer. So this is the concept, like the approach will be like we need to just track the last occurrence of the odd number, right? So the answer, the solution will be like last occurrence or the last position of a odd number. The string will start from the first digit or the first character, and it will go till the last position of an odd number. So this is the solution. So to solve this problem, what we will do, we will iterate over the string from right to left. So let us take another example. One to change the color, yeah. So let us take an example 1 2 3 4 5 6 8. So what we will do, we will take a variable I and we will set to 0. It will point to the last index, and we will iterate it over like till it is smaller than n, because when it will reach this position it will be n minus 1, and when it will cross this position it will be n, right? So we will take the pointer and we iterate to the left side, and we will check whether the and whether the character is a odd number or not. So when we will get a odd number, for example here I at equals 2, we will get an odd number. What we will do, we will take the substring starting from the first index till the I equals to 2. So we will take this length, we will calculate the length, and so this will be our answer. We will just take the substring from the given string. We just need to iterate from the back, and we have to find the last position of the odd number. So I'm writing the pseudo code. I will not code the solution today. I'm just writing the pseudo code. So what we will do, like pseudo code, what we will do, first of all we will take this n equals to size of the num string, right? We will take the ith pointer, which will set to the 0. After this we will take a while loop, while I is less than n. Now what we will do, we'll take the integer value of that character, and I have already told like how to convert an integer like character value into integer form. We just need to take the int, and it will be like num of like the last index will be n minus 1, right? So n minus 1 will be the last index, and we will subtract I. So when I is 0, it will point to this position, and similarly when I increases to 1 2, it will iterate from right to left, and we can subtract the ASCII value of 0 from it. So in this d, we get the integer value of that character, that number. Now we will check if d percent 2 is 1, like it is an odd number or not. If it is an odd number, what we will do, we will break from the loop, because we just need to find the value of I, like the last position of the odd number, right? So after we get the I value, what we will do, we will just return a string result or answer. It will be a substring of the given string, like num, it is given num dot substring. Now what we need to do, in the substring function, we need to pass two things. The first thing is the starting position of our substring, so it will be by default 0, because what I said, we will take the complete left part, right? We will take the complete left part. So the substring will always start from the first position, like 0th index, and the length of the substring will be like, if we get I as 2 here, so how can we obtain this length? So this length, like the total length of the string is 1 2 3 4 3 3 6 7 7, and we get this part as 2. What we need to do, we need to find this part, so we just need to find n minus I. So n minus I will give the length of the this part. What if we do not find any odd number in the string? Then the I will be obviously I will be 7 minus 1 6, right? Let us check. I will be from if we do not get a if we do not get odd number in the string, then I will be from this position 6, and after that I will be incremented, and it will reach out of the bound, and I will be incremented to 7, and in that case n minus I, like it will give 7 minus 7, so the length of the substring will be 0, and in that case we will give a empty string. So as in the question given below, we need to return a empty string when the there is no odd number possible. So this is our condition. We just need to return the substring of n minus ith size. So we will write n minus I here, n minus I. So this is the pseudo code. We will return the result. So I'm just writing the pseudo code. I hope the whole code is clear. This is an interesting problem, because it will at first trick you to find another solution, like take two loops, use dp or something. But when you try to think about it, like have some more test cases and try to dry run, then you will find the logic that we just need to keep our rightmost odd number, and we have to take the string from starting from the first index. So thank you for watching.